So all you have to do like this, and the good afternoon. In this episode, we're gonna do something very small that's gonna make a big difference. Now, I'm gonna take my garage opener right here, and I'm gonna put it up here with double-sided tape. So here is the end result. You have it right here. So I put the double-sided tape, as you guys can see right there, and then I have the device right here. So when now instead of having that in my keychain, you know, making a big bulge, which I hate, I just left it right there. So all you have to do like this, and the door opens. Very good, very easy. Little things does a big difference. So that's it for today's episode. See you next time.